lọ. Níbo lẹ̀ ń lọ? Mo kí yín o. Welcome to my Yoruba class. We'll be using where to make sentences and is níbo. Níbo, where? Níbo. Níbo lẹ wà? Where are you? Níbo lẹ wà? Níbo lẹ wà? Where are you? Níbo lo wà? Where are you? Níbo lo wà? Níbo lẹ wà? Níbo lo wà? You're saying the same thing, but the difference is that we use to communicate with an older person or a person you respect in Yoruba land. O for a younger person, for an older person or a person you respect. It might even be a younger person, but you respect that person. So you use Where are you going? Níbo lẹ̀ ń lọ? Níbo lẹ̀ ń lọ? Níbo lò ń lọ? Níbo lẹ̀ ń lọ? Níbo lò ń lọ? Where did you keep it? Níbo lẹ fi sí? Níbo lẹ fi sí? Níbo lo fi sí? You could even say níbo lẹ tọ́jú ẹ̀ sí? Níbo lẹ tọ́jú ẹ̀ sí? You kind of, maybe someone want to help you to keep something safe. So you say níbo lẹ tọ́jú ẹ̀ sí? Níbo lẹ fi sí? Where did you keep it? But if something is precious and the person wants to help you to keep it safe, so you say níbo lẹ tọ́jú ẹ̀ sí? Níbo lẹ tọ́jú ẹ̀ sí? If something is heavy, probably a big thing, níbo lẹ gbé sí? Níbo lẹ gbé sí? So you know you carry. Gbé is carry. Gbé sókè, lift it up, carry it up. Gbé, so níbo lẹ gbé sí? Where did you keep it? But with something heavy, bigger. Níbo ni bàtà mi wà? Bàtà is shoe. Footwear, bàtà footwear. Níbo ni bàtà mi wà? Where is my footwear? So me. Níbo ni bàtà? Footwear, me. Níbo ni bàtà mi wà? Where is my footwear? So the next one is níbo lẹ gbóúnjẹ mi sí? Remember, gbé is coming again. Níbo ni ẹ gbóúnjẹ mi sí? Níbo lẹ gbóúnjẹ mi sí? That's where did you keep my food? Níbo lẹ gbóúnjẹ mi sí? Níbo ni ilé iṣẹ́ yín wà? Níbo ni ilé iṣẹ́ yín wà? Where is your workplace? Ilé iṣẹ́, workplace. Níbo ni ilé iṣẹ́ yín wà? Níbo ni, where is. So where is anything? Where is my clothes? Níbo ni aṣọ mi wà? Aṣọ, clothes. Níbo ni oúnjẹ mi wà? Níbo ni, where is. Where is your mom? Níbo ni ìyá rẹ wà? Níbo ni ìyá rẹ wà? You're talking to a younger person now. Okay. Níbo ni bàbá rẹ wà? Níbo lo ti wá? Níbo lẹ ti wá? Where are you from? Níbo lo ti wá? Níbo lẹ ti wá? Níbo lẹ ti wá? Okay, see you in my next class. Bye.